Whew. So mosquitoes aren't as bad out here. Got a little bit of a breeze. Nice. Very nice. Except for that bloody noise, whatever that is. Do without. Oh. Definitely gonna recommend bug spray though if you come out here, and that's just because we're in the wetlands and bugs abound, especially mosquitoes. The mosquitoes are quite dreadful. We find ourselves slowly returning to civilization here. If I thought through anything, I would have got B-roll of me hopping over that creek. That was a cool shot. You live and you learn, am I right? So here we go. Coming up to where our adventure began today. Well, a few hours ago. Whew. And the weather has literally not changed much. You can see my shoes are sopping wet. It's not a good thing. Oh, I think that's a bunny rabbit. Oh. So this isn't a park per se. It's not. It's a nature conservation preserve. I'll have to look up what that means exactly, but it has state parks, conservation preserves, all that stuff has different meanings. So it's actually in my book that I'm also reading about state parks. No water entry. There is if you want to portage about a mile down that way. We're back at our parking lot. Thank you for visiting. Yeah, okay, I was right. I was thinking it fell under the Bureau of Land Management, the BLM. Not Black Lives Matter, but the Bureau of Land Management. Yeah. Here we go. So, see, it's not a park. I believe it's under the Bureau of Land Management. Now, I don't know if the park still keeps it up. Definitely a good hike. And if you're a guy that likes a technical hike in a jungle-like environment, this is your thing. I don't know how I feel about the jungle part, but I will say it is beautiful. All right, so we're back at the old Ford. Looks like we got back just in time too. It looks like the weather is taking a bit of a turn.